Excuse me. Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator making another video, and today is a really good day. It's Friday, but today is a very special day because today is the day that I'm going to be starting something really, really cute. Okay, I'm going to be officially my nail journey. Now, when I say nail journey, I don't just mean just wearing like press-ons and stuff like that. I'm thinking about really taking care of my nails much more seriously. When you first start like understanding how your nails look and how manicures work, you start to realize that it's a really good thing to do at home. You can do it at home with no problem at all. And I hope you do it with my headphones because baby, the last one that I had on, I had to get rid of it. Like, seriously, I did. But yeah, we got new headphones, and we got to start an actual huge start to our nail journey. So let's begin. We have our nail UV lamp, a LED UV lamp, 2-in-1 for the sun UV. It's power adjustable, non-hot hurting, faster within 5 seconds, full power, sensor activated, and it comes in 4 colors. I got the one in white, and that's a lot of instructions, but this is really good. This is what it looks like on the box. And I cannot wait to open this, you guys, because I've been waiting to, get a UV lamp for a minute, especially now that I've been getting like my nail stuff. And I'm getting some nail stuff soon from a new website. So be on the lookout for that. Got a couple of items coming from that website. Hopefully they'll come soon. Let's open this bad boy up because I'm really excited, you guys. This is my first UV lamp. I got this from Amazon. Let's open it up. Oh, packaging is nice already. So the inside looks amazing, by the way. They got I think this is like the plug. They got the wrapping, but the piece of the default is this amazing UV lamp, and I'm super excited. It looks amazing, guys. Let's just pull it out, because now I can't wait to start using this. This is really nice. So that's the inside of it. Oh, girl. I'm a sucker for smells, I'm sorry. So the highest time we can go is like 60 seconds. So from 5 seconds to 60 seconds, which is actually pretty good, by the way. So this is not bad. Okay, so I'm so excited for this. Next, we're gonna pull out the plug. There is instructions on how to use this. And I'm gonna pull out the instructions. So this is the instructions here. So they have like the gel application. So they have like their own like kit and everything. What's this here? Oh, it's not much. But yeah, they have their own like tips and directions on how to use it, how to apply it to your nails and stuff. So they have the lamp, the adapter, the user manual, and the bottom plate. So So that bottom plate is that blue thing that was at the bottom. They also had so I saw the infrared sensor, on and off button, 5 second, 30 second, 67 timer, and the port. It really doesn't say anything. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty dope. I am looking forward to this. I'm actually going to show you guys the adapter. It's kind of thin, but you know, this is my first one, so I can't get too picky. Really nice adapter. You know, nice OG bulb. Got a little stuff. We can just dust that off. But yeah, I'm really excited about this because I wasn't even thinking about getting a UV lamp at all until I was like, you know what? I'm getting these super amazing deals. Why not just get one? So, here it is. And for those who are wondering, this is the bottom plate they were talking about. So you can do it without the bottom plate, but I would actually, I don't know if this is detachable or not. Because it does look like this. Oh yeah, it's attachable. Okay. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh. Okay, so it's magnetic. I cannot wait to see how this works because, honey, as soon as I start using it, you can't tell me nothing. But yes, my nail journey will be starting really soon. As soon as I get my nail stuff, I am actually going to be in the process of getting the middle room together, which is kind of going to be like my office, because right now it's just like super junky and, you know, all that stuff like that, and haven't been in there since I did the video on my main channel talking about me using that middle room. So when I get the middle room all set up and all that stuff and all the extra stuff out of there, it's on and popping. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video where you share cool stuff. Click the notification bell so you notify of all of my videos, and check out the damage review playlist. I will not do a review on this because, you know, I feel like the nail journey will have its own separate playlist, but I am kind of like, this is magnetic though. See? All the nails I'm going to be using. So anyway, I'm going to see you all next time. Bye!